So, I've had early beta access to PAI, and I've been wanting to share this with you for a little while because it genuinely feels different in the way that it approaches storytelling. A quick note before we get into it, this video is a paid partnership and I'm co-producing this with Utopai as part of this launch. What stood out to me quite quickly is that PAI feels less like a typical prompt and output tool and more like a cinematic storytelling workflow. It's built around narrative continuity across scenes with clear moments where you step in, make decisions, and actually shape that direction. That part matters most to me because I don't just want random outputs. I want something that I can actually guide. I give it a script and reference images and structured creative direction, and it handles a lot of that heavy lifting to build the scenes that you can then refine into a trailer, short, or an actual sequence. I'm still a big fan of node-based workflows because they're spatial and great for planning, but PAI feels different in a really useful way. It feels like an assistant that's actually helping the project move forward, not just generating fragments. So in this video, I'm going to go through my exact flow and actually show you the concept image, the scripts, and the prompt structure, and then we'll fast forward through the processing and look what comes back. And one small thing that I really genuinely liked, when it finishes, you get a clean little notification, and it sounds small, but it means that you can step away, work on something else, and come back when it's ready for more input, which makes the whole process feel much more practical. Okay, so this is the full length of the conversation, so we can go right to the top for the start of the process. So what I did is I actually gave it a specific script, shot by shot. I wanted 10 shots specifically, and yeah, wanted to start going through. So it's received it. I've actually uploaded an image as well for reference, and so yeah, it's asking me questions, and I'm giving it the go to actually go ahead and continue with the process. So yeah, this was actually really interesting. Some of these didn't make the final cut, but some of these are really nice shots to actually come in with. So it's taken that initial image and it's starting to come in and actually create different views, different shots and different angles to actually use. So some of these are really, really nice, like this one here. Huge potential to be able to expand and play with these. And so then it turns those single images into videos. And so this is really nice to be able to, and this is inspiring as it is. So this was a really good point, and as that discussion continues, actually being able to decide what I want to do and what direction I want to take it. So getting some really interesting results here. Yeah, I love this shot. This is a great shot. So that's my first look at PAI and how I'm thinking about it from a storytelling workflow point of view. I wanted to show you my process more than just the outputs, because it's usually the part that matters if you're trying to build something usable and repeatable. Again, this video is a paid partnership and co-producing it with Utopai Studios as part of their PAI launch, but as always, I'm sharing it from my own workflow perspective, so you can decide if it fits the way that you like to work. If you want to have a look for yourself, you can head to utopaistudios.com. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.